smooth it with Max Mango Passion Fruit Smoothie. Easy smoothies recipes to fresh your day. Ingredients: mango, 4 cups of cubed fresh mango. It's about 2 large mangoes, 3 passion fruits, which is about 1/4 cup of pulp and juice. 1 large lemon, it is about 1/6 cup of juice. With 6 to 7 mint leaves. And the secret ingredient is black pepper, 6 twists of black pepper. Delicious, right? Please let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Try out different flavorful recipes. Thank you for watching.